Good morning, Saints, and welcome at Monday. I continue with Dr. Hill's devotion this morning, and he refers to the book of 2 Kings 6, verse 1 to 6, where the sons of the prophets said to Elijah, let's go and and you know cut some wood. Now, to make a long story short, he said to them, go, in verse 2. And then one said, please be willing to go with your servants. And he answered, I shall go. So he went with them. So as one was felling a beam, the axe head fell into the water, and he cried out, alas, my master, for it was borrowed. Then the man of God said, where did it fall? And when he showed him the place, he cut off a stick and threw it in there and made the iron float. So Dr. Hill, he says that we need to regain the joy of serving God. And it addresses the loss of spiritual fervor when prayer feels empty and praise becomes burdensome. He reflects on Elisha's question to a young apprentice, and he said this in verse 6, where did it fall? Emphasizing the truth that to find that was lost, one must return to where it was lost and last seen. Dr. Hill encourages believers to take a spiritual inventory and examine their habits and associations that might be hindering their productivity and displeasing the Lord. Recognizing this point of loss is crucial for recovery. He suggests that introducing the cross of Christ into one's circumstances can revive anointing and restore spiritual vitality. Dr. Hill also urges readers to pitch the cross into their problems, as the cross has the power to restore and bring things to the surface. Dr. Hill assures that one's spiritual gifts will resurface and advises getting a firm grip on them again, keeping them sharp to complete the work the Father has given. May you have a blessed day. Shalom.